Hey guys, welcome to our channel of Fantasies. Today's date is 30th June and the time is 8 am. We are here at Classic Conventional Hall because my brother is participating in the SIP Abacus Regionals and I'm not participating because I'm still in my early learning stage. Abacus is a tool used to do mathematical operations very fastly like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimals and board mass. The persons who use Abacus are called human calculators. This is a regional competition. Students from across the state participate in this competition. Abacus is all about how fast students can do mathematical operations. And my brother was in round 1. So come, let's ask him, how was the exam? Anna, how was the exam?
The exam went well, Ammu.
So how many levels were there? Please explain it.
Basically in Abacus there are 11 levels which are Foundation 1, Foundation 2 until 4, and then we are given a foundation certificate after completing those levels. After that we have to do the advanced levels which are 4. Then we enter the Grandmaster stage which is GMA, GMB and GNC. In the Prodigy we can give an exam for 12 levels which are for Foundation, Advanced and Grandmaster. Afterwards we can also write an exam which is an alumni. So after the competition there is a graduation ceremony which is done to GMC and alumni students.
Anna, explain the exam format.
For the foundation first and the second level there is only one paper which should be done by the use of Abacus scale. There are 60 sums which you should do in 5 minutes, and after the second foundation level you have visual as well as multiplications. There are 60 visuals which are doubled and 120 multiplications. So total for a student who is writing a Prodigy exam after at Foundation 3, he has to do 300 sums within 11 minutes. Abacus paper they give us 5 minutes. For the visual paper they give us 3 minutes, and for the multiplication also they give us 3 minutes.
Friends, the award ceremony starts at 3 pm and now we have 4 hours to kill. So now we are here at the famous statue, the Statue of Equality. The Statue of Equality is located in Muchintal at a distance of approximately 15 kilometers from Shamshabad. This is the famous statue of Sri Ramanujacharya, which was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on 5th February 2022. The entry ticket for an adult is 200 rupees and for a child below 11 years is 125. Phones and cameras are strictly prohibited inside the temple, so we were unable to capture some nice photos. This is the Statue of Equality. Sri Ramanujacharya was born in 1017 at Sri Perambudur in Tamil Nadu. It is a known fact that Ramanujacharya liberated millions of people from social, cultural, gender, educational, and economic discrimination with the belief that every human is equal regardless of nationality, gender, race, caste, or creed. He opened the doors of temples to all people, including those subjected to extreme discrimination. He remains a timeless icon of equality for social reformers around the world. This temple has 180 Devadeshas, which replicates famous temples from India. Some examples of these temples are Dwaraka, Thiruvananthapuram, etc. The Statue of Equality is 216 feet tall and located in a 45-acre complex. It is the world's second tallest statue in a sitting position. The Buddha statue in Thailand is said to be the world's tallest statue in a sitting pose. hope you liked the short video of my brother's regional exam. So we are now heading home. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.